As expected, some you never felt to impress me.
Matagal nang lumipas, ngunit bakit nga ba si Sam ang nasa isip ko lagi?
Guys, nandito na yung results ng exam natin. Congrats! Perfect ka. Uy, congrats Sam. You did it again.
Yes, perfect.
Ay, letter A pala yun. Oo naman.
Oo, madali lang naman yun.
Oh, Sam, wala ko pa yan.
Oy, Sam, okay ka lang?
Ian, ano naman to?
Sige na nga.
Sam! 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 Nakita niyo ba si Sam? Ito ba si Sam?
Ian, come here in front.
Recording your subject facilitating some library research.
It was you. You've been behind this the whole time. The messages, the threats, Leon's notes. Ikaw, diba?
It's okay. I wanted to know the truth, just like you.
Wow, that was Oscar's worth it.
Sam, galing mo panggap.
Ano naman to, Lina?
You really gonna act loser. Huwag na tayo maglukuhan. Sam, you saw what I did to Liam's notes. But you stayed quiet. You wanted revenge as much as I did. Sam, totoo? She's been playing clueless the whole time. Pero deep inside, she didn't care. Liam was her rival. The only thing Sam wanted was to stay alive.
And what if I did? Leon and I were rivals. I wanted to win. She was just naive to see it.
Sam, nagsama mo. We trusted you.
You ruined someone's hard work just to feel superior?
You know what? You're on your own, Sam.
Sam clutches the process. The funny, the memories that she shared with her classmate is now loneliness.
Success isn't about being the best. It's about lifting others up with you. In life, success can blind us. Betrayal can consume us. But in the end, the truth will always be written on the last page.
Goes to Samantha Vergara.
Guiltiness, loneliness, and heartbreaks that touches Sam's minds has been now into broken. Every decision you make has always a consequences to be faced. Just like the story of Sam, success is valuing people who supported and loved you.
Si Lian, iiyak. Ha, ha, ha. Go.
It's you. You've been...
Go.
Ano? Sam? Wala akong kinalaman sa mga yan.
Go.
Sam? Totoo to? She's been playing...
Go. Go. Congrats, Sam Vergara! Oh my God, I'm so proud of you!
Guys, happy na kami mahuman. Yay! With our supporting lead from other group. Happy na kami mahuman.
Ya, ato! Practice pa gan! Okay, go. Go.
Sam! Magsama mo! We trusted you!
Go. You know what? You're on your own, Sam.